Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense, right here on the YouTube channel of the same name, English Makes No Sense. My name is SL Rockfish, and today we're going to take a look at some confusing words in English. Confusing words? Whatever could I mean? Today's confusing words are INSURE, 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 short E, and INSURE, INSURE, INSURE. They both have sure as their root word. They're both verbs, but they have slightly different meanings. Are you ready? Here we go. INSURE, ensure, means to make certain or guarantee. I have to ensure that you're home by 4 o'clock, okay? Because you don't want to be late for dinner. Ensure, make certain. Got it. Then insure means to protect yourself from financial loss. You should insure your house in case something happens. Now, you want to put it all together? You should ensure that your house is covered, so you should insure your house. What? Let's review. Both are verbs. Ensure means to guarantee or make certain. Insure means to protect yourself from financial loss. Why does English have two words that are so very close yet slightly different? I don't know, but now you can read and understand this sentence, I hope. Are you ready? You should insure your car to ensure you are covered in case of an accident. What? Come on, English. Let me do it one more time. Are you ready? I want to ensure that you understand the difference between ensure and insure. You should insure your car to ensure you are covered in case of an accident. What? Come on, English. Hope this helps. Let me know if you understand the difference between ensure and insure. Leave me a sentence, okay? Peace, friends.